Hello, everyone. In this video, we will cover section 1.6, Getting Started with Python. Before you can use Python, you need to install it. Google download Python. You will see this page. And just click download Python. You can download Python for Windows, for Mac, for other operating systems. Click this latest version, Python 3.8.3. You can download it and then follow all the default instructions. It is really easy to install. After you install it, you can now use it and use Python idle. Python idle is the easiest way to get into Python. It gives you the development environment. You can edit and run Python programs from idle. I'm going to click idle now. So this is the idle now, and here is the Python interpreted running now. And this is the prompt, is the command prompt. You can now type commands, and this is also called statements. Now I'm going to type this, welcome to Python. This is the print statement to print a string. String is enclosed in the double quotation marks or single quotation marks. Return, it displays welcome to Python. You can type in another statement. Welcome to Atlanta. So this is welcome to Atlanta displayed. Now you can type 2 plus 3 times 5. This expression is evaluated and now also displayed. Another way to evaluate is simply just type this 3 times 5, and that's 17. 2 plus 3 times 5. If you have a lot of statements when you write a program, you want to reuse all the statements. You can put all the statements into a Python file. It's called a scripting file. You can modify the file and save the file and use it in the future. What you can do is right here, this is a file, and you can create a new file. I'm going to create a new file now. And I'm going to type print welcome to Python, print welcome to Atlanta, print 2 plus 3 times 5. I put all the statements together in one file. Now you can run this file, run module. Source file must be set, okay to save, okay. Now you can choose the location you want to save. I'm going to now just save it right here in this location. So I'm going to put this as test.py. So I'm going to use this .py to denote all my Python scripting files. And this is also called Python source code files. I'm going to save this as Python file and save. And now, see, this is the execution of this file. Welcome to Python. Welcome to Atlanta 17. Now back to the book. You see it is really easy to use Python. I'm going to look at the animation for this program.
The statement displays "Welcome to Python to the Council." Check your understanding. Note that in all code animation, you can use mouse or finger to move highlight, explanation, output, and check your understanding box freely. Is the indentation for statements important in Python? Answer yes or no.
Now the answer is yes. The indentation is important. For example, if you come right here, this is the live example, you can run your code right here. You're going to display Python is fun. You can run this program, get this output. But if you indent it incorrectly like this, your program will not be executed and you'll get an error. So here it says indentation error. So you have to indent the statements vertically at the same column. For now, these are the statements and they have to be on the same column. And so the indentation will be used to highlight the relationship among the statements. And this is something we're going to look at more in the future. For now, you can see all the statements we have and they're put together on the same column. You can use Python to perform mathematical computations. We already see that you can use this arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now let's see some exercises here. Is this. What is ID? What is idle here? Idle. Idle is an interactive development environment for developing and running Python code. This development is misspelled. Interactive mode. Back here, when you write the code from this prompt, you write a statement and print Python is fun. This is the interactive mode. Interactive mode. When you write the code in a file, and that is called script mode. So this is the interactive mode, is to type a statement at the prompt and to execute it. And script mode is to run a Python program from a script file. Line comment. So you can add your comment here. I'm going to add a comment. Comment begins with this pound sign, print 2 lines, and compute an expression. So this is the comment. Comment is for documenting your program. And this is going to be ignored by the Python interpreter. So here is the line comment is a text preceded by a pound sign on a line. You did it. Now let's look at the freestyle exercise. Write a statement to display good morning. So you can say print good morning. Check it, it's correct. Look at this multiple choice questions. What is the output of the foreign code? Print. Now look, this is a string. So this is going to be a string. And this is expression. And a string here is enclosed inside the quotation marks. And this is expression. So this would be 6. The program displays 1 plus 2 plus 3 followed by 6. Check it. It is correct. That's all for this section. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.